Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This van comes into stock with only delivery miles on the vehicle and comes with a special order two-tone paint colour, Reflex Silver over Starlight Blue. The van features a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS and also has a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. Across the front of the vehicle is a set of front parking sensors set into the front bumper, complete with front fog lamps with a cornering function. The van sits on 18-inch Terracina black diamond turn surface alloy wheels, which come in a multi-spoke design and really set off the two-tone colour paint job very well. Up top there is an electronically operated electro-hydraulic pop-up roof, along with a black roll-out awning, useful for those camping trips away. Dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view camera, allowing you to make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look now at the interior of this Cali Ocean, the rear passenger bench comes with the seat trim covers, art fellers. There is also a few camping necessities such as this fridge/cool box, along with a 2-hob burner and a sink with a foldable tap. Taking a look now at the upper sleeping quarters, once the roof has been deployed, you can access the upper sleeping area, which features a foam sleeping mat along with a rubber spring mattress. Down below, the rear bench can be folded down, additionally sleeping 2 more people. Taking a look now in the front cab's interior, another look at those gorgeous seat trim covers in the art fellers. There is plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver, both seats coming with 2 armrests apiece, and along with a few creature comforts such as a 12V and 2 USB-C outlets. This van comes with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system. This vehicle comes with minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.